That's awesome. 100 scores for that. Driver deserves it. I showed you Beijing's terrible school district house, which cost 500,000 a square meter last time. Since you've bought such an expensive house, now let me show you the parking of high-level difficulty here. It's 10,000 for that car. How would be parking that way? That's humiliation for the parking in Beijing Hutong, right? That is your parking level in front of the camera. Here is a question for you. Why do they all place a board beside the wheel? Tell me what it is in the comment. Since you're in a Beijing Hutong, you need to abide by some unspoken rules. Each shall keep to the side. Look. It didn't keep to the side close enough, so it got scratched. Holy cow, it's funny. Here's a raglan sleeve. What does that mean? In case its air gets cold? Impressive. How many scores for it? But how did it get off? How did he park it? A tree in front of it and a telegraph pole behind? How did he get between them? Now I see. There is some space. The driver applied a sponge to the hole in case his car could hit it. But there's much space, so it only has 80 scores. How many scores for this? This is good. 90 scores. Everyone is a master of parking. There are no places for storage in many hutongs, so many will buy vans as a mobile storeroom of 2 or 3 square meters. There must be something inside. Oh my god. How to put things inside? It's all trash. That is amazing. Look at its reflector. How many times did you scratch it before parking it so well? 99 scores for it. Well, in the Hutongs of Beijing, those cars are still being used. It's not like the cars covered by cars' clothing. People drive them every day and park them like that. Check it out. This is extraordinary. Guys, its wheel arc is stuck in the Y-bar and contacts it already. How to drive it when it leaves? That's awesome. 100 scores for it because they're connected. The driver deserves it. Wait a moment. I'm going to drive my colleague's car. I have to challenge it and see if I get 100 like that car. Roll out.